Introducing the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor, the next generation technology that puts you in control of your driving safety. Safety has never looked so sexy. Using the most advanced German sensors, Zeus monitors both tire pressure and temperature in real time and sends this data to the app. Zeus is the first ever tire monitor to be able to detect slow leaks with its advanced data mining technology. This proprietary algorithm called Accurate Temp analyzes pressure and temperature data over time and alerts you to any slow leaks that other tire monitoring systems would have missed. The app report clearly pinpoints the exact tire and the rate of leakage. To make it even more versatile, we've designed it as a device that anyone can self-install. Take it with you on your next trip and easily install in just 3 steps on your rental car. When it comes to protecting your family everywhere you go, choose the next generation in safety technology.
This weekend outing is what I've been looking forward to this whole week. The flat tire could have ruined this whole thing, but luckily I've got a Norshare portable air compressor. It is easy to store and can be placed anywhere in the car. The strong motor of up to 30,000 rounds per minute and the high-pressure propulsion system of 10 bars allow it to inflate tires of sedans, SUVs, and even trucks. Norshare features a self-illuminating dot mattress, OLED display with capacitive touch. This smart device monitors the tire pressure real-time and stops automatically when it reaches the preset value. When the batteries run out, it also can be powered directly from a 12-volt power supply, such as the cigarette lighter socket. Norshare also has more uses. When it comes to inflating a bicycle, Norshare also makes everything easy and reliable. Want to inflate your basketball? Norshare can inflate your basketball fast and full and will allow you to more focus on sports. Enjoy the quiet lake and inflate the kayak with Norshare. This will make you feel relaxed. It's that simple. With a Norshare portable air pump, you don't have to worry about the various devices being affected by the lack of air. Norshare, one kit for every car owner.
Hey Josh, it's Liz from college. Hey,
What are you doing here?
trying to get a taxi, but my phone's dead.
Well, hop in.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Do you know the way to South Bay?
Alexa, get directions to South Bay.
Okay, getting directions to South Bay.
What is that? I thought it was just a charger.
It is a car charger that can do a ton of other things. Alexa, play some music.
Here is the station you might like. Rockstar from Amazon Music.
That's awesome. What else can it do?
Alexa, what else can you do?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
The fastest route to gas right service at 980 Main Street takes about 5 minutes via Central Parkway and Garden Drive.
I don't think I have your phone number anymore.
Alexa, call Josh.
Calling Josh Mobile.
Thanks for the ride. Maybe I can repay you with a cup of coffee sometime.
Sure.
Alexa, set a reminder for coffee with Josh at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Introducing Backtrack's best-selling professional breathalyzer, the Backtrack S80. Featuring Backtrack's largest police-grade extend fuel cell sensor, the S80 is the most accurate breathalyzer in the Backtrack family. Trusted by health clinics, treatment centers, and even law enforcement, the S80 is perfect for anyone seeking a breathalyzer that delivers reliable and accurate BAC results every time you test. Included in the box with the S80 are a padded carrying case, 2 AA batteries, 6 reusable mouthpieces, and the instruction manual. Operating the S80 is easy. Simply power on the device and wait for the countdown timer to begin. It's important to wait 15 minutes after eating, drinking, or smoking before testing. This ensures that your results are as accurate as possible. Once ready, take a deep breath and blow through the mouthpiece until the beeping stops. There's a miniature air pump inside the S80 that activates at the end of each breath sample. You can actually feel the click at the end of your test. This proprietary breath capture system ensures that only a precise breath sample enters the alcohol sensor, while ambient air and external pollutants are kept out. Once your breath sample has been analyzed, your BAC result is displayed on an easy-to-read LCD screen. The S80 also features many advanced controls, including changing your unit of measurements and setting user-defined BAC thresholds. Drink smarter with Backtrack, the leader in breathalyzers.
Remove the included scoop and brush from the water tank. The brush can be used to clean your Nanopresso of any excess grounds that can build up over time. The water tank also has a cup attached to it. Next, unscrew the portafilter and remove the coffee filter basket. Add finely ground coffee into the scoop. Transfer the finely ground coffee from the scoop into the filter basket. Be sure to clean any grounds off the rim of the filter basket. The next step is to tamp the coffee using the bottom of the scoop as a tamper. There should be about 4 millimeters of space at the top of the filter basket after you tamp. To ensure proper grind size, use a scale to weigh 8 grams of coffee. Next, put the coffee filter basket into the Nanopresso and screw on the portafilter. Make sure the portafilter is screwed on tight. Next, add boiling water to the water tank. The water should be at least 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill the water up to the line marked on the inside of the water tank. Screw the water tank onto the Nanopresso. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Flip the Nanopresso upside down and start pumping with slow, consistent pumps to build up pressure inside the machine. It should take about 6 to 8 pumps to get up to pressure. After about 20 to 30 pumps, your espresso will be fully extracted. You will know the espresso is fully extracted once you no longer feel resistance in the piston. Once the espresso is fully extracted, the crema should be smooth and golden brown. Enjoy!
Based on official statistics, there are 600 million people who get behind the wheel of their cars every single day, and 75% of them use their smartphone while driving. Hello Kickstarter, my name is Ivan, and today I'm extremely proud to introduce Hardware Glass. It is a simple smartphone accessory that turns your smartphone into a head-up display, just like in a fighter jet or luxury car. We've been working on improving safety and comfort of the driver for 3 years. We started with a navigation app, which transforms our vision on how cell phones can be used in cars. By now, over 1 million drivers have tried our app, and one customer even told us it saved his life.
Hardware Glass was inspired by rally racing. When you are driving 120 miles per hour, all your attention is focused on the road ahead. To look away, even for a second, is extremely dangerous. Putting a head-up display in a race car is one thing, but we realized regular drivers face all the same distractions and more using their smartphones while driving.
We put it to the test. The two most common distractions are reading directions of your phone and checking your speedometer. This causes us to drive blind for approximately 300 feet on every mile. On a typical 10-mile trip, we are distracted and driving blind for over half a mile. Using Hardware Glass, this distraction time is reduced to nearly zero. Head-up displays in cars do exist already, but they tend to be very expensive and usually found only on luxury vehicles. Some companies are developing more affordable devices, but they still cost several $100s and are stuck in the midst of a very long and complicated development process, so you still cannot buy them today.
At Hardware, we took a simpler route. Let's face it, your smartphone already has everything you need to project data on a windshield. Big and bright display, GPS, internet, sensors. The only thing is missing is a special optical glass to provide you high-quality reflection of your screen, day or night, rain or shine. Well, the only thing missing isn't missing anymore.
Imagine that you already have head-up display in your car. All you need is just an accessory for your smartphone. Imagine all navigation information is in front of your eyes all the time. Imagine music control, conference calls, or catching up with your robot friend Siri. There are no limits. You can use any app on any smartphone that supports head-up display mode. Now, there's no need to take your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. It's a safer and more comfortable ride. What do you think about that?
I feel like I'm in a sci-fi movie. Wow.
It's really cool. I like it. I like the reflection, and it doesn't block your view of anything.
It actually gives me the option to just not have to look down on my phone every 2 seconds.
You know, there's a lot of high-end luxury cars that have that capability, and if you don't have one of those kind of cars, then, I think it's great to have.
It's convenient, it's easy to use. It sounds like it even saved lives without having to take your eyes off the road.
How much do you think it costs?
Oh gosh, I don't know. It must be some kind of fancy glass. Maybe a few $100s?
Actually, only $49.
Come on.
Seriously?
Only $49? That's cheaper than my cell phone case.
I want one. That's awesome. That's cool.